This is one of my favorite parts of the Walmart Museum. It's Sam Walton's old pickup. This is like what pretty much every guy when I was growing up had, was a truck kind of like this, either a Ford or a Chevy. But they looked about like this. Kind of miss it. Almost kind of wish I had a truck like this. I don't know. I just love old vintage stuff. Just, I don't know. I have a soft spot for these kind of things. Apparently that's where he kept his hunting dogs. That's what they look like. But it's a very neat old truck. Let's see if we can look inside. There's his shotgun. There we go. Sam Walton's truck.